People are increasingly questioning the impact that technologies are having on our society and calling for organisations to be more accountable for their actions. This matters, as technology plays an increasingly prominent role in our lives and our world becomes more data-driven. It has arguably never been more important to be able to monitor, oversee, and be able to challenge the actions of organisations. Information disclosures, where particular stakeholders can request organisations provide particular information, are seen as one way of increasing organisational transparency. In scenarios where you feel that an organisation may be behaving in ways that you object to, for example, or even if you're just curious, you have the ability to request information from organisations, for example, about what data they have on you and what they're doing with it. In this way, information disclosures provide a means of overseeing the practices of organisations and empowering individuals to push back against those practices if and when required. However, in our paper, we highlight that information disclosures, that is, transparency mechanisms that should support organisational accountability, appear to be ineffective in doing so. This is because simply disclosing information doesn't necessarily help in supporting accountability. Transparency isn't the aim or end goal in and of itself. For a disclosure to be effective, it's important that the recipient is able to effectively engage with and understand the information being disclosed to them. However, in practice, disclosures typically comprise data dumps of highly technical information, often with nothing to assist the recipient with their interpretation. This hinders broader accountability aims, as it becomes increasingly challenging for all but the most expert recipients to navigate and comprehend the disclosed information. We argue that better is possible, exploring how disclosures might be made more effective if they were to directly cater for the needs of their recipients. Towards this, we make the case for a general reconceptualization of disclosures, away from technical data dumps, and instead towards interfaces designed around the needs, expectations, and requirements of their prospective recipients. Our goal here is about more than just aesthetics, but rather disclosures that better assist people in being more informed over organisations and their practices, and supporting oversight, recourse, and accountability. In making this case, we demonstrate one potential methodology for specifying, designing, and deploying more effective information disclosures. Focusing on the context of data protection, we outline how organisations might consider and design their disclosure as an interface, demonstrating how such an approach can better help individuals more meaningfully engage with their information when compared to current practice. In all, we argue that better disclosures are not only possible, but crucial for effectively supporting accountability over data-driven organisations. Our paper highlights the pressing need for disclosures that better support greater oversight of organisational data and practices, and demonstrates how treating disclosures as interfaces, such that they better align with the needs and expectations of individuals, represents a promising way forward.